Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
I don't bring another hot news come your way this day. Yes. It's all about the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. A lot of Nigerians are so much interested, and it makes me happy because Nigerians are beginning to wake up to the reality. You know, Nigerians have seen the reasons why it is important we have to participate actively in governance. This will go a long way to making us to select, credible leaders with character and leaders with, very beautiful track record. And today I present to you the judges, the judges that will preside over the Court of Appeal, in this Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. And why am I bringing these judges over to you, over to your knowledge? It is important that you know, and then you begin to remember these people in your prayers. You need to begin to put them in your daily prayers so that God, in His infinite mercy, will touch their hearts in order for them to give the best of the just judgment for Nigeria, because whatever judgment they give in this presidential election issues or cases will go a long way to shape our democracy. Their judgment will either, reinstitute and make our democracy stronger, or we will have more problems in this nation. So this is why I'm bringing them to you. And the picture you're seeing on the screen are the 5 judges. Number 1 of them is Justice Harun Simon. And the number 2 of them is Justice Stephen Ada. And the number 3 of them is Justice Joseph Ike. And number 4 is Justice Abba Mohammed. And number 5 is Justice Monica Dongan Mensem. She is the appeal court president. Her name sounds like Ghanaian. But whatever it may be, I am glad to see a woman, a mother, be among this team that will preside over this case at the appeal court level. And I am very confident that as a mother and the rest of the fathers that are also among this team, that they will look at the situation of Nigeria, pity this country and give the best of the judgment. I always say it, there is nobody that is more Nigerian than any Nigerian. Nigerian belong to all of us. All we are clamoring and asking for is to allow good governance and rule of law to prevail. Use public funds for the public good of the people. That is what we are praying and asking for in this nation. We have fasted, we have prayed, we have gone to the vigils, we have done so many rituals. A lot of traditional religion believers have prayed to their gods, done a lot of rituals for Nigeria to be progressive. But yet, it is the same story every year. Therefore, you need to remember these people in your prayers, so that they will give the most beautiful of just judgment in this case. Meanwhile, I hear from one unverified news, say Labour Party actually won Lagos State. Labour Party actually won River State. Labour Party actually won Benue State. Labour Party also got 25% in Adamawa, in Gombe, and in Borno. This is unverified, but I just saw that news on Twitter. So as a man who believes in good governance, as a man who believes in the rule of law, and as a man who believes in using public funds for the public good of the people, I continue to bring transparency to trending issues, to the knowledge of all Nigerians, whether you are APC, PDP, or Labour Party. All we want is good governance in this country. Is where these people don't they lie before. Now they don't catch APC with one of their lies. Yes. But the real deal be say APC people don't go lie for one of the petitions where Peter Obi and Labour Party filed against them and INEC. In their responses for the lie where they talk say INEC portal was hacked. That was why results were not transmitted electronically. Hell, for this country, lies they very easy to lie, to mislead the public. But so long say the media day, we will continue to bring out the real deal. Why it be say on a lie to the lie give Nigeria? Shebi days after election, INEC chairman told Nigerians that there were technical glitches. That was why they could not transmit the result electronically. Days after, Lai Mohammed came on national television and told Nigerians that INEC portal was hacked. That was why election results were not transmitted electronically. Who will go trust and who will go follow for this? But make I bust your head finally. Assuming INEC portal was truly hacked, INEC had 7 days to review all the complaints submitted by all political parties before announcing results. But INEC announced election result on the March 1st, 4 days after election. Why was INEC chairman in a hurry to announce president-elect? This is a question INEC chairman need to answer to all Nigerians. And that is why you have to share this video for all Nigerians to see and for all Nigerians to know. Before you go further to watch the video, you will also see what Oseni Rufai and Abati of Arise Television, what they said to the court, what they said to the judges and the Supreme Court and Appeal Court that will, champion these cases.
The court will deal with the issues for determination before it, and that should be left to the courts to decide.
I think the matters up for determination with the court are crystal clear. What is it? The process that heralded the election. The process in tandem with what was said will be done before. The fact that INEC could make its own laws based on a new proviso in the national constitution. And the fact that a lot of people say, and to a large extent, the parties filing in court said most of those processes were violated. But it is the court that will determine all of that. And I think also the substantive issue will be, the use of technology in our processes. The fact that INEC talked about a glitch, the fact that people are saying otherwise, especially those that are in court now, are saying otherwise. The court will determine all of that. But one thing is certain, in fact, some people have said, the case should be publicized and things like that, is that any decision made by the judiciary will go a long way in shaping our democracy. And that's why we should be careful in this country. I'd like to call on all the players here, to calm things down, make the substance of your argument be logical enough, and let us stop the breakback and the sentiment and the uncalled for abuses and things like that in all of this. Because you see, the greatest thing about us, what really binds all of us together, is the fact that one, we're all Nigerians. Two, that we have decided to be governed in a democratic way, which should be, the government of the people, for the people, and by the people. But to a large extent, in our democracy, we've been having discordant tunes because a lot of people feel the people have not been represented. And that's why you can see voter apathy in our electioneering process. And that's why you can see the fact that a lot of Nigerians feel disgruntled and they're beginning to feel indifferent towards the Nigerian state. And that's why I beg politicians, please try to feel the pulse of the people. Understand what is going on. People are not too happy. And because you have a group of people that are happy with you, doesn't mean the generality of people are happy. I know you will make the argument, yes, Rufai, you can't please everybody. Yes, you cannot please everybody. But you must be seen as fair to all. And that's what anybody that is elected president should be able to do for the furtherance of this country and the democratic process. In a hurry, we forget that we fought for this democracy, and a lot of people lost their life and laid down their life for this democracy. And indeed, it didn't come on a platter. So whatever the court will rule will further the cause of democracy in this country. But after all is said and done, the path to unity must be done with a level of consolidation and an understanding that Nigeria is bigger than anybody. And nobody is more Nigerian than anybody. I pray heart will heal in this country, but heart will only heal when justice.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.